Hey everyone! In today's quick video, I'll show you how to properly end half-inch drip tubing using three popular end fittings: the ELMC, the figure 8 ends, and the Dura bar plugs. Let's get into it. Let's start with the Easy Lock male hose end with cap, also known as the ELMC. This Easy Lock fitting has a cap, which makes flushing the drip system simple and easy. The Easy Lock fittings are reusable and easy to use. A great way to end half-inch drip tubing. Start by inserting the fitting into the tubing. Then push the tubing as far back as possible with a barb. And then twist the locking ring to secure it. Next we have the figure 8 end, also known as the CF8. This is a simple and reusable way to end the half-inch tubing. 1. Slide one end of the tubing through one side of the figure 8. 2. Bend the tubing back. 3. Slide it through the other end of the fitting. It's as easy as that. Finally, the Dura plastic barb plug. If you're looking for durability, this is it. The Dura barb plug is not reusable, however, but it will provide a secure, leak-free option. To use the barb plug, simply insert it into the tubing. Optional. Use a clamp if you want extra hold, but most installs don't need one. And that is how you end half-inch drip tubing like a pro. Did you find this video helpful? If so, give it a like and subscribe for more drip system tips. And comment down below which fitting you prefer. Have a good day. Bye.